Good morning and welcome to John Dark Limited. Here we have a Toyota CHR 1.8 XL Coupe CVT with only 17,500 miles on the clock, boasting 18-inch black alloys. It's a petrol hybrid on automatic with a rear view tinted glass, front and rear sensors, as well as a rear camera. Only 2 owners. We have 2 keys. And there's features such as dual zone auto air conditioning, go navigation, heated seats, hill assist control, push button start, and many more. Electric windows rear and front. Currently 17,301 miles rather than 17.5 thousand. Half leather, half cloth, in immaculate condition. This came in as a part exchange. It's in very good condition on the inside and outside. With a nice brown addition to the leather. Camera, as mentioned. A large parcel shelf. As well as a hydraulic system. Easy handle to close the boot. There's a 5-year manufacturer warranty. We also add another 6 months warranty with every vehicle, which will be added past the 5 years, so you'll actually get 5.5 years. As it's 2017, you'll actually get 4.5 roughly, plus 12 months MOT as standard. If you'd like to make an inquiry, feel free to get in touch with the sales team. Or you can make an inquiry online and even reserve the vehicle prior to test drive. Thanks very much. Bye bye.